In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook not updating email without restarting. If Outlook stops pulling in new messages, you don't need to close the app or reboot your computer. Follow these steps to get your inbox syncing again. Start by forcing a refresh. Go to the Send/Receive tab and select Send/Receive all folders. This immediately connects Outlook to your mail server and syncs all folders. Watch the status bar for errors. If it completes successfully, new messages should appear. If that doesn't work, update your inbox directly. Right-click your inbox in the folder list and choose Update Folder. This focuses the sync on that specific folder, which can resolve small hiccups. Next, check that Outlook isn't working offline. On the Send/Receive tab, look for Work Offline. If highlighted, click it to go online. The status bar should display Connected or Connected to Microsoft Exchange, and the Send/Receive buttons will be active. Confirm your internet connection by loading websites in a browser. If pages don't load, fix the connection first, then retry Send/Receive all folders. If these steps don't help, repair your account. Go to File Account Settings, select the problematic account, and click Repair. Follow the prompts. The quick repair checks server settings and authentication and usually resolves sync issues without affecting data. Afterward, run Send/Receive all folders again. If the problem is intermittent, an add-in may be causing it. Start Outlook in safe mode by pressing Windows+R, typing outlook.exe/safe, and pressing Enter. In safe mode, add-ins are disabled. If email updates normally, disable add-ins one by one. Go to File Options Add-ins, choose COM Add-ins, click Go, uncheck an add-in, and test Send/Receive. Repeat until you find the culprit. By refreshing folders, checking online status, verifying connectivity, repairing the account, and isolating add-ins, you can usually restore email updates quickly without restarting.